Do you understand the law of attraction? Do you believe in the law of attraction? Have the law of attraction worked for you? Today we're going to discuss that. But firstly, let's get this out of the way. Khamoya Gordon here from KhamoyaGordon.com. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel just yet, just go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified whenever I post a video. The law of attraction is real, people. I am telling you, these past few days have been magical, to say the least, right? And what you put out in the universe also comes right back at you. I'm telling you. I'm telling you because not just for this past year, but these past few months, especially, and then these past few days have just been for lack of a better word, magical. I've made some really big moves business wise. As you can see, I'm still in my uniform. I just got back from the base. I missed a video yesterday because ran out of time, and you know, you got to do what you got to do, and it never happened yesterday. I apologize for that, but here I am doing my video today in my uniform talking to you guys, because on top of I enjoy the whole online marketing and everything. I enjoy the freedom that comes with it, but I need you guys to also understand that as a soldier, I enjoy this. I love this. I stay in this by choice. My family in the military is important to me. I love protecting this country. So even if tomorrow you see me on a yacht, or you see me on a private jet or on a private island or wherever it is, you see me living lavishly in some way or some form, I need you to understand that this will always be the core me. This is me. I love the military. I love everything about it. I love the brotherhood, the sisterhood. I love the family. So online marketing is my schnig. You know what I mean? It's what I do. But a soldier is who I am at heart. They're both a lifestyle, if you look at it that way. You know, as a soldier, you never, even after retiring, you're still a soldier at heart. There's no retiring being an online marketer. That's who you are. So they both work together perfectly for me. So I'm an entrepreneur soldier. Yeah, I like that. So law of attraction, guys. I've been communicating with this big time entrepreneur for the past few days, and you know, we've just been communicating on a really good basis. You know, we talk day to day, you know, and so on and so forth. But it's amazing what the law of attraction does. I mean, I don't know about y'all, but it has been amazing for me. And I'm not going to say, you know what, scratch that. I'm not going to say I don't know about y'all. It works, period, point blank. It works. It works. Put what you need to put out there in the universe, whatever good vibe, good vibes, whatever positive vibes, whatever that will benefit you and make you better. But I'm telling you, the law of attraction is important, and the law of attraction works every time. Every time. I'm so thankful for where I'm at right now and where I'm going. I am really, like, I look back, even driving from the base this afternoon, and I said I am the luckiest person alive, and I wholeheartedly believe it. I'm not even kidding. I wholeheartedly believe it. And I think you should believe that you are the luckiest person alive right now. And you should wholeheartedly believe that too. Because it's true. For you, it is true. And for me, it is true. Guys, if you are if you want to do something, do it. If you're interested in online marketing, get off the ledge and jump in it. I'm telling you, do not hesitate. When I started this, I wasn't hesitant. I had a whole lot of what ifs, but I was never hesitant. I said, I'm going to do it regardless. If this happens, this is what I'll do. If that happens, this is what I'll do. But I still went ahead and do it. I had a plan in the making of what are the takes or turns I would do if XYZ happened. You understand? But this is what I'm going to leave you guys with today. If you're still questioning online marketing after watching this video and my previous videos in the past, I suggest you check my link out below. If you're still questioning it, check my link out below. Try it out. If it doesn't work for you, or if it's not something that you're looking for, you can cancel. But try it out. Try it out and see. Just apply all of what I told you in my previous videos. I hope you've been watching my previous videos too. And if you are, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Just apply the methods, the strategies, and work by the principles that I spoke about in the previous videos, and you will be okay. You'll be fine. I'm going to leave you there with that today. And thanks again for watching my previous videos. Thank you for watching this videos, guys. I appreciate it a lot. Any comments, concerns, leave it down below. If you'd like me to talk about something, comment below and let me know. And we'll see what we can do. If you haven't subscribed just yet, subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Share this video with your friend. If you're watching this right now, if it was shared to you, subscribe please. Also hit the notification bell. You'll be notified whenever I post a vid. Follow me on Facebook. The link is down below in the description. Follow me on Instagram. The link is also down below in the description. And thank you guys for hopping on, and I'll see you tomorrow.